Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Kelsey. My 3-pound Yorkie is Celine. Together we are Celine and me, and welcome to our channel. We make loads of videos about fashion, human and dog based. Her life as a teacup Yorkie and my life as her dog mom. So if you're interested in any of that, please go ahead and hit subscribe and let's jump right into this video. So clearly, as the title suggests, today we are doing a Polène unboxing in this video. I have purchased from Polène before. I actually purchased a bag for Céline, and I was very pleased with my shopping experience, the shipping experience, and then the product that I received afterwards. So I wanted to purchase something from them again. I wasn't really sure what I wanted to purchase, and I've been doing some research, kind of looking back and forth, and I actually landed on this bag. It is a bag. So before I get into the actual unboxing, I am one of those people that does not like the suspense build or anything like that. So I'm going to try not to talk too long before I unbox this. But before I do, pause this video and comment down below which bag you think I got and which color. If you are an avid Polène fan or a shopper or a guru, professional, whatever you'd like to call it, you may already know what bag this is and what size, but you may not know what color it is. So let me know in the comments before I unbox this what bag and color you think I got it in, because even if you know what bag it is, you don't know what color. I'm very interested to see what you guys think. I love when people do that in their unboxings, and so I figured I'd try it out. So let me know. But anywho, I was on and off about this particular bag for a long time. I always do a ton of research before I purchase a handbag as an avid handbag collector. It's just what I do. I really want to be sure about my decision of a bag that I want to purchase and keep forever. So I did do some research and I was really on the fence. I did not end up getting my first color choice. I ended up getting the second one, but I'm actually really glad I got the second one, and I'll obviously show you that in a second. But this bag has been on pre-order for a while, and by saying that, you may actually really know now what bag I got. But yes, this bag has been on, I guess I should say, back order for a while, and every time it came around, my first color choice would be gone in a matter of hours. So I finally just ordered my second color choice back in February, and it arrived on Monday, March 18th. Today is Thursday, so I'm going to properly unbox this now with you guys. I will say that if it looks like it's been kind of opened already, I did open it on Monday to make sure it was the right color and to make sure it was the right bag, and then to also do a quick like TikTok shorts reels, and that'll be coming out soon. But let's go ahead and just unbox this. So it comes in this really beautiful Polène box, which we will get into a little bit later in the video. But that off, and I know I'm in a weird like filming spot right now. As I've said in many videos before, Celine's room is under construction, and then my closet situation is under construction. So for right now, we're kind of sitting in this plain corner, but let me know how you feel about the plain background. This is the Polène packaging, the paper, the tissue paper, and the little Polène sticker. As I said, I've already opened this. And so at this point, you probably could really see which bag I got. And here's the dust bag. I love Polène's dust bags. They're very high quality. And here is the handbag. So pull it out here, and it does come with a little booklet, and I'll show that to you in a second. But here is the bag. It is the Polène Cyme Mini in textured cognac. Now, I speak French, and I still can't figure out if it's supposed to be pronounced Cyme or Cyme. Please don't cover me in the comments. Polène, if you want to go in the comments and just settle it for everybody, I would greatly appreciate it. And I know I'm not the only one, because every video that I've watched, people have been trying to figure out if it's Cyme or Cyme. So for the sake of simplicity and consistency, I'm going to say Cyme. So yes, this is the Polène Cyme Mini in the cognac. Obviously, like many other people, my first color choice was the beige, but again, like the lighter beige, not the taupe, but just the tan. And obviously it continuously sells out, and then it's on pre-order for like another month or two. So this one did go on pre-order still, but not nearly as bad as the tan. The first thing that I noticed when I opened this was the color. So I will say, if you're interested in this bag and you're interested in this color, I will have to watch this video back to see how it shows up on my specific camera, but on the website and on other people's videos on social media, I've noticed there's a red undertone to this bag. In person, it's much different. It's a rich brown color. It doesn't have that red undertone that you see online. So just keep that in mind if you are looking to get this bag and you want to get this color. If you don't like the reddish undertone that you see online, it doesn't look like that in person, like to the naked eye. Another thing that I noticed about this bag was the size. So I'll put the measurements on the screen for you all in this specific size. I will say, even looking at the measurements, looking at it online, looking at it on like someone's body, you know, somebody wearing it, it is definitely smaller than I expected it to be, but I'm not upset about it. I think it's a great everyday bag that you can kind of just blend right into your outfit, into your day. It's not in the way. I feel like the larger bags, because you can put more in it, it puts more weight on these straps, kind of like the Neverfull, and it ends up being really heavy on your shoulder, but you can only fit so much in this bag. So I feel like it's not going to be as heavy as it probably would be in the larger sizes. So speaking of the straps, there's at least 3 different ways to wear this. You can wear it on the crook of your arm like this. You can wear it as a top handle, and then you've got the longer straps to wear on your shoulder. I think it's great. I love that you have so many different ways to wear it. So the inside has a clamp closure in the middle, and then it's got this beautiful fabric inner lining of the bag. It does come with a detachable pouch, which is really nice. And then it does have magnets on either side. Again, the shape of this bag does kind of function like a Neverfull. You can pull the sides out. The cool thing about this though is that the magnets work on both sides, so you can wear it with this side closed and it'll stay this way. And it has the adjustable tassels, and then you could also wear it this way on both sides. Like this side comes out as well, but you can wear this bag either way and it's functional. Now, as far as the sizing goes, I will say that every video I've seen online is true. You cannot fit a laptop or like a regular size notebook in here. You could probably fit an iPad. I have an older iPad that I might insert a clip later of it because I don't have it on me right now. But I have an older iPad. I've put it in here and it fits like close to the top, but not at the top. But if you have a newer iPad, I know they're a little bit bigger. And then when you have the Apple Pen, the larger case, and the keyboard, it probably will fit like right at the top of this bag. Obviously there's space inside to put all of your belongings with your iPad, but you couldn't put like a regular size laptop or a large water bottle or a large notebook or binder or something in here. It's just a little bit too small. The larger sizes, you absolutely could fit those items, but not in the smaller size. So this is perfect for like every day. It's a really nice bag for the airplane, and it's a really nice bag if you're getting on the metro or the train or anything like that. I love this white stitching, and this cognac color, like I said, is beautiful. It's a really nice, high quality, well-made bag. Like you can tell by looking at it, but it also doesn't scream designer, which I love. So if you're somebody who is super into the quiet luxury, if you know type of vibes, that whole theme, Polène is a really good brand for that. I can put their website in the description below. They sell a load of other bags, small leather goods, accessories, jewelry, and no, this is not sponsored. They did not pay me to make this video or gift me this bag. I bought this with my own money, and I'm doing this review because I love handbags and I love talking about them. So I just want to put that disclaimer out there. I love the simplicity and the understatedness, if that's even a word, of this bag. So yeah, I just wanted to come in here and show you guys this. The only other thing I wanted to talk about is the packaging. So really quickly, I love their packaging. I love the box. It's got this like earthy color, textured material, and you can barely see the Polène logo just seamlessly into the actual box material. And I love that because if you're an avid handbag collector or you collect luxury items and you keep all your packaging, don't be ashamed about it. I do it as well, and I like sometimes using it as decor, and this is perfect if you want to use your Polène packaging as decor. You can sit it in your dressing room, in your closet, in your bedroom, your living room, and you wouldn't even know it was a handbag box because it's so minimalistic. Really quickly, this is the booklet for the Cyme and the Cyme Mini, and it just shows you how to use the bag and how you can pull the sides out of the bag and different ways you can wear it. So I just wanted to come on here really quickly and do this unboxing with you all. If you guys have this bag, if you have it in a different color or a different size, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you like it, if you don't. If you have the larger size, let me know. I really want to get the canvas Cyme in the larger size for summertime. That would be perfect. If you have that one, let me know and let me know how you like it. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please go ahead and hit subscribe. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like, and I will see you all in the next video.